So we're going to use this site to create our QR code treasure or scavenger hunt. I like this site because it's super easy to use. It generates the QR codes based on the questions you give it. It's a great place to start a beginner level QR code scavenger hunt to see if you like how it works. This is how I started them in my class and the kids absolutely love them. So in order to get started, you just click this Get Started button down here on the bottom and it loads and you fill out your quiz. Now I'm going to pause this and fill everything out so you don't have to watch me type, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I filled out my QR code scavenger hunt here. I put a title, and then the minimum you have to have is 5 questions for this. So what I did is I have 5 questions. You separate the question from the answer with an asterisk. So if you notice, the first one's what is the brain of a cell? Asterisk, and then the answer is nucleus. So I did 5 questions for this. At the bottom they ask that you create a password so you can edit your quiz later. I've never really had to use this, so I just made up cells. So when you're done with this, you hit create the QR challenge, and it says here's your link. So what you can do is you can click here, and on the side there in the little iPhone, iPod looking thing is the actual directions. It says they're using the iEnigma QR reader. You click here to print off the QR codes and the quiz questions. So here's what I'd like you to do. On this page at the top, I'd like you to copy this link. Okay? This is the link then you're going to place in the wiki space. So before we do that, I just want to show you what this looks like. So if I click here to print off QR codes, you'll notice that right here you see all of the QR codes that are associated with this scavenger hunt. Okay? If I go back and I click the quiz questions, you'll notice right here is the questions and the answers, kind of like for your reference. So that's how this site works. So when you go back to the wiki space, just a quick review, you take module 3, you hit edit. For this, I'm just going to type the words my link. I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to hit the link button. I'm going to go to web address, click it open in a new window, pop the address in there, paste it in, hit add link, hit save, and you are done. Good job.